this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Crunchyroll app. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or bugs on this app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to update this app, you need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for this app through my Google Play Store. And once you have found it, just tap on it, and you can see we have an update here, which means I've been using an outdated version of Crunchyroll app. To update it, just tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Crunchyroll app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, you can proceed and tap on open, and this will go ahead and open the latest version of Crunchyroll app. So that's how you can update Crunchyroll app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.